Hi, I'm Sequoiah with Project Tree Collard, and today's video is bittersweet. Um, I have a big thing to announce. After 40 videos and 10 years of shipping tree collard plant seeds and cuttings, I am leaving Project Tree Collard. And again, it's hard a bit. I feel a little nostalgic, but it is the right thing and the right next step in my life. So I want to let you know it will be stewarded forward in very capable hands. A wonderful couple is going to continue Project Tree Collard, and they are very enthusiastic and knowledgeable, and they will come at it with fresh eyes and enthusiasm and their own set of gifts moving forward. So the business will be in really great hands and will continue, and that's really important to me. I'm starting to get the sense and really feel a calling to share more parts of myself because I do have a wealth of experiences in the world to share. And I've been keeping quiet and I haven't been sharing them. I've stayed on the topic of tree collards, which is appropriate for what Project Tree Collard has been. And I don't entirely know what is next for me. I haven't shared a lot of personal information with you, but I will say that I'm a very multifaceted person. I have strong interests in dance and movement and health, nutrition, and I'm at that midpoint in life where a woman's hormones just naturally make you think about what's next and what you're doing with your life and where you're at. And I'm in that place and I'm embracing it fully. I also want to let you know I'm going to start a new YouTube channel called Simply Sequoia. And I don't entirely know yet what it will include, but it will be multifaceted and it will show a lot more of the day to day of homesteading and growing one's own food, being on the journey of living an ecological life and being a woman, being middle aged, and all kinds of things, really. I'm always up to some kind of mischief, always up to exciting things, and I look forward to having you join me on that journey if it sounds like of interest to you, if you want to stay in touch and hear a bit about what's going on in my life moving forward. I will have gardening videos, like educational gardening videos as well, because that's one of the things I'm really excited about all the time. And I love sharing knowledge with all of you. I want to thank you for being such amazing community. These strange folks that we are, loving tree collards and loving growing our own food. We're a special variety. I want to thank you for coming with me on this journey, and I'm very excited. Thanks for watching, and please find me over at Simply Sequoia.